Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana. I thought I would just give you a quick update. Not a lot has happened, but there have been a couple of things that I wanted to show you over the last couple of days. So let's take a look at what happened. So previously, over here on the closet side, we had all of our heaters or our baseboard radiator heats, they were without covers. So now the covers have been replaced because now the radiators are going through walls here, and so there were little pieces missing. So those have all been connected. And then over here, we previously did not have a cover on our little baseboard heater right here in the bathroom. Now that has a cover. So that's really cool. And today we have our shower system is now fully installed. We have no shower door yet, so we cannot use this, but it looks great. It turned out really nicely. And yesterday, the shower glass people came and measured what will be our glass shower door. It's going to extend all the way across here. It's going to be a sliding door, just because we have this little bump out here for the duct work here, so we couldn't have a smooth flat wall here. So right here, there wasn't enough room to do a swinging door. So we're gonna just do a nice sliding door, and half of the glass is gonna be stationary because we have the vanity coming in over here. So that's all I have to show you today. But the painting is starting tomorrow, and I think it might take a day or two. I'm not sure. Maybe they'll get done in one day. I don't know. There's a lot of trim work and door work to do. So I think that's gonna slow them up. And I don't know how many people are coming, how many workers are coming. So that also makes a difference in how fast they can do things. But I think as of right now, on Friday, the vanity is supposed to be getting installed. So we'll see if that still holds true for the week. I ordered the closet organizers. I'm really happy with what they're gonna do. I was also happy the price came in reasonable, and so we're going ahead with that company. And that will take a few more weeks to get installed. Right now I have an install date of mid-November. So the bathroom will get done, and then I'll have to do maybe a final update sometime in November once the shower doors and closet organizers are all installed. So thanks so much for watching. This is week 6, and I will give you an update. I don't know if I'll give you an update tomorrow, depending on if they get the paint done. I'll probably do an update after all the paint is done, so I'll get to show you what the painted room looks like. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.